Okay, so we kicked off the day with a burst of color. Picture this, a bunch of us, armed with handfuls of vibrant powder, turning each other into walking rainbows. Seriously. It was a free-for-all of hugs, laughter, and a whole lot of colorful mess. Definitely a great way to start the festival. After the initial powder explosion, we took a step back to soak in the scene. The festival grounds were massive, with a huge stage being set up and crowds already starting to gather. You could just feel the energy building up. And then the music started and things really got wild. We dove headfirst into the crowd, dancing, singing, and just letting loose. CO2 cannons were blasting, showering us in cool clouds, and everyone was covered head to toe in even more color. Some of us were taking selfies, others were just jumping around like crazy. I even saw my buddy belting out something into thin air. Honestly, it was pure, unadulterated joy. Being there with friends, vibing to the music, was unforgettable. As the day wound down, we managed to wrangle everyone together for some group photos. The smiles were huge. The outfits were, well, let's just say uniquely colorful, and the memories were definitely made. What a day!